Good afternoon, students. In this video, we are going to discuss the topic invitation. Invitation is a topic of your writing section. Invitations are of two types, formal invitation and informal invitation. In formal invitation, such occasions are celebrated for which a lot of people are called, and these are the occasions which are celebrated formally with all the known people, and the host invites all the people he knows to such occasions. The occasions such as birthday ceremony, marriage ceremony are the examples of formal invitation. Apart from these, the occasions celebrated by schools, institutes like annual function, sports day are also examples of formal invitation. So we shall be doing such formal invitations or the examples of such formal invitation one by one. In this video, we are going to discuss the first example in which a birthday is going to be celebrated. The name of the host is given, occasion is given. The occasion is the fifth birthday of the son of the host, right? So on the basis of this, we are going to discuss the answer, or we along with that we are going to discuss how such questions are attempted, and I shall also be telling you in this video the format of writing such invitation. Again, I am telling you that I have begun with formal invitation only. We shall be doing informal invitation later on. The first example that we are going to do today is the basic example of a formal invitation. Right? So, we are now going towards the answer of this question. As you can see, I will also share you pics of this answer, so that you are able to note down everything and come to understand what is formal invitation and how it is written. Right? First of all, you can see that on the basis of the question that is shared by me, I have written down the answer of this question. First of all, the name of the host is given in the question itself, the same name we are using, right? And then we are writing the a formal sentence with the help of which the guests are being invited. So such type of sentence: request your benign presence, request your auspicious presence, राइट, सीक ऑस्पिशियस प्रेजेंस, इस तरह की कोई भी लाइन से हम बिगिन कर सकते हैं। नेम ऑफ होस्ट लिखने के बाद लिखेंगे कि दिस सो एंड सो रिक्वेस्ट योर बिनाइन प्रेजेंस। बिनाइन मीन्स ऑस्पिशियस, शुभ, राइट। ऑन द ओकेजन ऑफ, ऑन द ऑस्पिशियस ओकेजन ऑफ, इस तरह की वर्डिंग्स आप यूज़ कर सकते हो। ऑन द ऑस्पिशियस ओकेजन ऑफ, देन आई हैव रिटन डाउन द ओकेजन, राइट। ओकेजन क्या है? फिफ्थ बर्थडे ऑफ देयर सन मास्टर अतुल। सो you can see that the way of writing should be like this. It should not be in paragraph form, it should not be complete sentences, rather the shape or the view or the layout of the formal invitation should look like this, right? Occasion is highlighted, it is written somewhat bold. You can also use capital letters over here, right? Then after writing the occasion, we write date, venue and time, right? And date, venue and time, of course such things are fictitious ones if they are not given in the statement, and if they are given in the statement, you should obviously use that information only, right? So at first venue is written, then date is written, then time is written, right? So this is the next part of your invitation, right? After this, a formal line inviting the guests is written. Make it sure to grace the occasion with your presence and bless the child. So such type of sentence, line or something like that can be written. Even over here some note can be given that no gifts will be accepted, and something like that can also be written over there, right? After this we are writing complementary clause. Students, you should take care of this thing, that my answer is written in the with the black ink only, and the things that are written in the blue ink, they are just indicating the format only. वो सिर्फ आपको समझाने के लिए है कि ये फॉर्मेट है जो मैंने ब्लू इंक में लिखा है। जो आपका आंसर है वो मैंने ब्लैक इंक में लिखा है और आपने वही पार्ट लिखना है। आपने ये चीज़ें साथ में मेंशन नहीं करनी है कि ये नेम ऑफ होस्ट लिखा है, ये ओकेजन लिखा है, डेट वेन्यू टाइम लिखा है और इनविटेशन के लिए कोई लाइन लिखनी है या कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री क्लोज लिखा है। ये सिर्फ आपको समझाने के लिए मैंने ब्लू पेन से लिखा है, करेक्ट। देन आई वाज टेलिंग यू द कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री क्लोज। ये सब लिखने के बाद आपने कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री क्लोज लिखना है। कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री क्लोज लिखने के लिए RSVP, ये एक्सप्रेशंस आपने पहले भी अपनी रियल लाइफ में भी कई इन्विटेशंस में देखे होंगे। ये एक्चुअली एक फ्रेंच एक्सप्रेशन होता है जिसका मीनिंग होता है दैट यू कैन रिस्पॉन्ड टू दिस होस्ट, राइट। ये एक तरह का रिवाज है या एक तरह का क्लीशे है जो इन्विटेशंस में दिया जाता है। इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ, यू कैन से, कस्टम, राइट, दैट द होस्ट का नेम और एड्रेस इसके नीचे दिया जाता है, साथ में फ़ोन नंबर आप देख सकते हो कि मैंने क्रॉसेस लगाए हैं, आप इस तरह से भी फ़ोन नंबर बता सकते हो। सो दिस इज़ द लेआउट एंड द आंसर ऑफ फॉर्मल इनविटेशन, द वेरी बेसिक फॉर्मल इनविटेशन। इसी लेआउट या इसी तरीके से ही हम बाकी की तरह की इनविटेशंस, जो कि आगे एग्जांपल्स में आपको शेयर करूँगी, इसी को बेस बना के हम लिखेंगे।